Hi, my name is Ashley Hunt here with Lisa Stepp. We're here to talk about our project for hydroinformatics. For our project, we created a HydroShare group for Dr. Miller and his research assistants. Dr. Miller's Yellowstone and Grand Teton National Park trophic state analysis research is an ongoing project. We created this group to help facilitate sharing of data and other resources between current and future students. If you log into HydroShare, you can find the group under the Collaborate tab. If you search for Yellowstone, and here it is, Yellowstone and Grand Teton Water Quality Research Group. The group contains several resources. One of the resources is a web link that links to the Yellowstone World Water Database. This page contains some existing data from Dr. Miller's research. Another resource we created on HydroShare is a Python script that allows the user to pull existing data from the World Water site, and it can be downloaded here. And if you open it in PyCharm and run it, you have to make sure that you have the all of the correct packages loaded. And once you run it, it creates a text file containing all of the data in the same location that the script exists in. So you can see that here.
Alright, and from this, if we open it with Notepad, you can see what it looks like before formatting. Each line has a site name, the variable name, and one or more data points for that variable. But it doesn't really look like it's easy to use in this format. So we created an Excel template to make it more user-friendly. This Excel template is also under the resource page of our group. It is called World Water Data Template for Downloading. Right-click, download, and open it. This template is built with Visual Basic. Your computer will ask you if you want to trust it, and you can in fact trust it. Right here, enable content. Alright. If this video is not sufficient, you can also click this instructions button while you work through it. So our first step is that we're going to want to open the Word file. We're going to browse, and ours happens to be saved fairly deep down. Let's see, where is it? Trophic state. And we want all files, and we're going to open this text file. It says they don't match. It could be unsafe. Do you trust it? Yes, we trust it. Alright, and as shown in this picture, we're going to delineate it. You can click next, except it won't let you. Just kidding. We want to delineate by the semicolon. And you don't choose comma, leave it blank. It'll disrupt some of the data values. So we just choose semicolon and we hit next. And we don't worry about this stuff, default is fine, click finish. Voila! But it's in the wrong one. So we're going to right click on the tab, we're going to select move or copy. We want to move it to the data template, and we want it before the second sheet. Okay. And this sheet is included in our template as a courtesy. It is all of the data that we downloaded from the World Water Database on November 30th, 2016. If you know for a fact that that is all you need, just some data, nothing new has been added, you may use this without having to run the Python script. But if you did download new data with the script, then click Format Values. And then your data will be beautiful. Not quite as beautiful as this one, but pretty close. You can fix it by highlighting that and double-clicking a column line. And then it's just as good. See? From here, you can click Generate Site and select any site you wish. And it will retrieve the data from the index page that we just added to our workbook. And you can see all of the variables with their values and their corresponding dates. One of these variables is the Carlson Trophic State Index. Most of these data sites on the World Water Database already have this in there. But if it comes up missing, somebody's added some data that didn't include it, you can include it yourself with the Carlson formula. Select the Secchi depth, the chlorophyll A, and the larger phosphorus total value from the database. Hit Enter, and it will return the same value as if you had downloaded it. This is currently the extent of this template. Future work to be done for this project would include creating a Python script that could push new sets of data from an Excel sheet in HydroShare to the World Water site, to this site, so that when people come to search the data, they have all of the sites for all of the years. Currently, the years on the website are pretty limited from fairly recent years. Dr. Miller has been collecting data since the 90s, so we're missing quite a few. Yep, from 2004, not 2005, 2006, not 2007. We're missing a few more years after 2009 as well. The templates that are used for uploading data to World Water are included here. There are a few different templates, but currently there is no script to push them. So for you students looking at this video wondering what to do next, that is what you can work on.